Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do graphics in Python. It's easy. So in this example we have a little star. So we're gonna draw a little star with a library called Turtle. It's a Python library. So let's start. First thing that you need to do is, if you have PyCharm, you just need to go to File, Settings, and under the Python project you're gonna have two choices. You choose the first choice. After that you're gonna click in the plus and search for Turtle. Choose Turtle and click in Install Package, and you're gonna wait till you have a green message. Now we're gonna start coding. So the first thing is we're gonna need to import the library. So we're just gonna write from Turtle import. We're gonna click in space and add a little star. After this we're gonna choose the color that we're gonna use. In this example we're gonna use red and yellow. So we write color inside the round brackets. We just add the color red and yellow. So now we're gonna start the animation. So the first thing that we need to do is tell the program that he gonna begin with writing begin fill. After that we're just gonna write while loop and say that if the program is begin, so while it's true, we need him to go forward for 200 pixels. So you can choose any distance you want, but I chose 200 pixels. After this you're gonna go to the left for 170 pixels. This is it's not a necessary distance, but I choose this. So now we're just gonna add an if statement, and we're gonna say if the position is not greater than 1, so he's gonna shut down the program. So we just write this, and we add break. After this we're just gonna end the program by writing end fill. So end fill. After writing end fill we're just gonna say to Python that we are done. So we just finish our program. And if you start the program after writing done, you're gonna have a little star drawing in the screen. So let's start now.